Honor, ako po lumaki po ako sa farm.
Masyadong malalim ang pinsala ng mga pogong ito sa bansa natin, and the public has a right to know.
Your Honor, hindi ko na po alam.
Ang pogos ay gumamit ng LGU officials at law enforcement. Si Mayor Kalugay ay kaibigan mo daw.
Wala po kaming negosyo.
I invoke my right against self-incrimination po.
May indications na ginamit rin sila ng foreign interests at pugad ng mga sindikato.
Si Sheila at yung siyang mayor ay iisang tao po.
May mga kaibigan din ba kayo sa PNP officials?
Nancy.
Yes, I know them.
Pogos are not only a criminal enterprise, they endanger our very democracy and national security.
They were invited to go to Davao.
Meron pong isang picture po with the former president po and me. That's my first time po nakita ko po ang former president.
Mr. Yang, sino ang boss nyo?
No, I don't have a boss. I don't report to anyone.
So kayo ang pinaka-boss. This hearing is suspended. Maraming salamat po sa lahat.